Namaste children. The next topic is how does fertilization take place. First, this is already we discussed female reproductive system. Now, when in female reproductive system, the fallopian tubes are the site of fertilization, where fertilization takes place. So here, if the egg is situated here, what happens? The sperm will go and reaches. When sperm and egg fuses, both fuses, then that process is called fertilization. Fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization, right? Then what happens? The zygote will form. What will form? Zygote. So zygote forms in the initial part of the oviduct or fallopian tube. So it will travels in this way to the uterus, and already I explained here in the uterus it will stick to that. This process is called implantation. Here, implantation. It will get implanted and it grows into an embryo. So as it takes place inside the body of the female, it is called internal fertilization. That also we discussed. So in all the mammals, internal fertilization and internal development takes place. The baby, mother will deliver the baby. So the baby will be called as infant. So this is the process of mammals, internal fertilization and internal development. Okay. Now here I wanted to tell you one point. Okay. What is the point? Egg has, is it clear? Egg has one nucleus, and in the same way sperm also will have nucleus. Sperm also will have nucleus. So as we discussed, the sperm penetrates with the head part, it will penetrate inside this egg and get fused. Both will be fused. So it will enter inside and it releases the egg, nucleus. So in one particular time, the zygote contains both male means egg nuclear part and sperm nuclear part. So both will be fused and zygote will form. The zygote will divide. So many times it will divide and forms a cluster of cells, a ball-like structure. This ball-like structure is called embryo. Then the embryo will develop, will stick here and grows into baby. So when the baby is nothing but, first we call it as fetus. What is fetus? The differentiated body parts. What do you mean by differentiated body parts? Hands, legs, all those parts will be there. So differentiated body parts will be seen. So such step is called a fetus. Then it grows after delivery, infant. Clear? This is in human beings or mammals. Now, you may get one doubt. Siblings means sisters and brothers will look little bit similar. Why they look similar? Because they are sharing the chromosomes or the nuclear part of the same parents. Or I wanted to clarify still more. A child will represent both father's characters and as well as mother's characters. Why both father's character? Few characteristics will be father and few characteristics will be mother. Why is it so? Because you are getting half of the nuclear part, or one nuclear part from the mother and one nuclear part from the father and one nuclear part of the mother. So that's why both nuclei is fusing and forms the zygote. That's why all the mammals will show little features of mother and little features of father, and they have their own features also. That's also there. Okay. Now is it clear? So I wanted to clarify one point, that the internal fertilization and internal development takes place in mammals, and the zygote will grow into embryo. Embryo will further modify into fetus, Then after delivery, the baby will be called as an infant. So these are the steps I wanted to tell. Okay, that's why this is called internal fertilization. Next, one more type is there. What is that? In egg laying animals. Egg laying animals, what do you call it? Internal fertilization, but external development. Development will be external. So example, I will take hen, because hen everyone knows. Hen. So hen, what happens? The male and female gametes will fuse in the oviduct. Oviduct or fallopian tube. Oviduct or fallopian tube. You clearly pronounce the words fallopian tube or oviduct. So the fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube only, even for the hen also. Then after fertilization, the zygote will travels here. What is this? Uterus part. In this uterus, it will not stay, because in mammals it will stick to this part, but there it will not stick, and it will be traveling through this. When it is traveling through the uterus, and it will comes out in this way. When it comes out, just before getting laid, what happens? Around the egg, so many protective layers will form. So many protective layers. So along with the protective layers, the egg will be laid. Egg will be laid. Okay, so these protective layers are made up of a substance called calcium carbonate. What is the substance? Calcium carbonate. It's actually a crystalline form of calcium carbonate. It's called as calcite. What do you call it? Calcite. So with the help of this calcite, it develops protective layers, and after that it will be laid. Okay, so internal fertilization and external development. So remaining development will take place outside the body of the female. How it takes place? The mother will sit on the eggs. That is what you call it as a hatching. Okay, or incubation period or hatching. So what do you mean by hatching? The hen, the mother, will sit on the eggs. So when it sits, warmth will be created. Warmth means a particular temperature will be maintained. So such a hen is called broody hen. So after that, the incubation period will be over. Then from the egg, the chick will come out. So the time taken by a chick to grows an egg to grows into a baby is called incubation period. Okay, a baby coming out from the egg is called hatching. Okay, thank you children. Here, this is nuclear part of egg and this is nuclear part of the sperm. Both will fuse, is going to fuse. This structure is called zygote with two nuclei. One nuclei from egg and one nuclei from sperm. Both will fuse and forms zygote. And zygote, this is hen, I am talking about hen. So when the zygote, when it is traveling through this uterus and the vagina, what happens? It forms around it calcite, a crystalline form of calcium carbonate will form. This is called calcite. Then the egg will be laid by the female. Okay. Now, incubation period. What do you mean by incubation period? The time taken by an embryo to grow into a baby is called incubation period. Next, hatching. The process by which a baby bird or chick comes out from the egg is called hatching. So, generally hen will take 21 days. Its incubation period is 21 days. Okay. Right children, is it clear? So, you please read page number 258. I am going to give a small worksheet after the completion of this topic. Right. Thank you.